Wow. 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 Okay, where is it? Is there a circus?
Maybe.
No. Cirque du Soleil. Cirque du... Oh, mon Dieu. Oh, she's sexy. We're here at Walibi Holland today. I gotta say, first impression of walking in, it feels very Hollywood Studios. Hollywood Studios? What am I talking about? Universal Studios-y.
Really?
Yeah, like the cartoon section. Anyway, very excited today. Get to do an RMC, get to do an old Intamin with my favorite restraints in the world. Bops on bops on bops. We don't really know how we're gonna attack this park, so we're just gonna do it, bruv. We're just gonna do it. What, is this?
Yeah.
Okay, you walk in. Express 13 right there. Interesting. The parking lot was like kind of full, but also really small, so it's confusing. So hopefully it's not too bad today. It is a Friday, but...
Isn't it a Saturday?
I'm so hyped. Oh my god, there's bugs. JK, Express platform rock and roller coaster was closed, so we're just gonna go Untamed. Fuck it, YOLO. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at her. Oh, is this a joke? Look at that. Guys, I'm wet in here. Oh, look at that sexy train. Oh my god.
It's literally the ugliest train in the world.
What?
Have you got no taste?
Shut the fuck up.
It's literally a fly.
Yeah, it's cool. I hate him. He was bullying me the whole time. Wait, there's no line?
That's the line.
Oh, I'm even... Wow. This is it. Look at this. Oh. Oh, love, live, laugh, love, love, laugh, live. See you next fall. So, Untamed also gave me that post-nut feeling. Wow. Wow. Small, but beats the absolute shit out of you. Like, I actually think I have whiplash. Worth it. We're gonna go on again, because the line is very short. How does your body feel?
I just feel like I've been bullied.
In a good way?
I don't know.
I find that, like, it kind of gave me last half of Steel Vengeance vibes with all the little small hills and being in all the supports like that.
It's only at 1.2.
Yeah, well, we're gonna go on again and just get absolutely fucked up. Let's try for back row.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so pretty. Wow. Wow. Jesus Christ. We just back row hoed this bitch. Just absolutely trying to yeet you out of that ride as much as it can. That after the turnaround, it's almost like painful. Like I could feel all the blood going into my head and it's just not leaving. But I love it and I live for it. So I'm not a little bitch. But that's just great. That's good shit. The theme is a bit strange but hilarious.
It's like an IKEA garden sale.
Love it. We're gonna head over to Goliath now and let's get fucked up on that. Oh, you hate this ride, right?
Yeah.
Look at this bad bitch. Hey. Wow.
Oh.
What?
He looks really wrong.
No, they're just hanging out. Please, this coaster hair. We just did 2 times on Goliath. You know, it's just classic good late 90s, early 2000s intimate goodness, you know? It's just smooth, fun, relaxing, the best restraints in the world.
Relaxing.
Yeah, no?
I grayed out on the Helix.
Oh yeah, the Helix, I'm like... Also, the second time we went around, we get near the end of the ride and all of a sudden this white floaty stuff starts going around us. We're both kind of like, what the hell is this? And we realized it's feathers, and the front of the train definitely fucking smoked a bird. And all its feathers are going around everywhere, so... You know, sometimes you just gotta die for a good ride. But that is... For some reason, those have my heart. Also just being able to look over and lean onto the side of the train and look at the lake while we're going super fast. It's like, I like this sound. Hey, what's on me? Get off me, bitch. What are we gonna try and do now? Lost gravity?
I think so, yeah.
Cool.
That or Condor.
Guys, this is probably the only SLC that I would willingly do at another park, only because it's the OG one and it has new trains, so yay. This is the weirdest sky flyer thing I've ever seen. It just looks like there's construction constantly in the park. Hey little Dutch boy, you gonna have fun, little Dutch boy? Flying little Dutch boy. Oh, there goes little Dutch boy. Oh, he's dead. Oh, hey bitch, you started a generation of hatred and pain, so let's get this over with. Wow, we accidentally get front row home. They said 2 people, we said yes, and we get front row. Look at that. Here we go, let's die. Woo-hoo-hoo. I think we both started on Condor as like, wait, this is actually going to be smooth. And then we went into the first version, and it was not smooth. It was, I guess, better than the really hard restraints, but because we're both wearing shorts, it was like ripping the skin off the back of my thighs, and this was open, so my big luscious titties, the skin was just getting ripped off of those as well. It was... But you know what? We did it. It's done. That's the last SLC I'll ever do in my goddamn life. Lunchtime, we're gonna get some cock-a-doodle-doo. 25 damn minutes later, we got food. How's that look?
I don't know. Yeah, pretty good.
I like these, man. It's a good wrap. We got fries good. Maybe with this garlic sauce. Did you love him?
That's twice. Imagine how hot that guy is in that costume, though.
What is this? I don't understand. Yeah, log flume time, bitches. For some reason, I feel like the older I get, the more I'm appreciating all these wet rides. I don't know what it is. Oh, look at my titties. A bit wet. There we go. Look at that. Matt, you're a bit wet?
A little bit.
A little bit.
I can't really get my nipple out there.
That's what quitters say. That's pretty fun. The turntables, though, are scary. It's just a piece of cement. Just a magnet. Wild. Alright, we're gonna get fucked up on Lost Gravity. Lost Gravity, bruv. Ah! My back! I didn't know there was a little step there. Oh, I'm 28. I can't do this. Wow. Has Holland lost gravity? Yes. This ride is mental. Absolutely insane. And that first drop might be one of the best first drops I've ever experienced on a ride. It's so just like... We're gonna go ride a boomerang now. Because it's themed-ish, right? It has a tunnel. Yeah. Plays music. Cool. Wow, 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 wow. New restraints and bops. Hello. Oh god. Okay, everyone who has a boomerang, do that to it. That was pretty fucking lit. Like, stupid how much some music in a little tunnel can make that much of a difference, and a better restraint. So, come on, let's get to it. All right, let's try this again. Come on, baby, don't fail us now. Wow, theming. Ooh. Get our ticket. Oh, it's closed. We gotta go home. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, yes. Whoa! Dirty little rats. Oh. Ah! Ah! Is he gonna do it again? Is there a sensor? No. I'm scared. Whoa! This is the coolest line I've ever been in. I can't see anything. Oh, here we are. If you didn't know anything about this ride, you'd get to this point and be very confused.
And scared.
And scared, yeah. Also, even finding the entrance in general would be confusing, but I'm ready to move into this line. This is... wow. My collarbones are in so much pain. The ride itself is shit, but the theming... if they could just like rip out the ride but reuse the entire station as everything else, the queue. Just, Vacoma's good now. Just get them to replace it with the new track. Hello. I think that's the worst, like, theming is great, but the ride is shit that I've ever experienced. That's really upsetting.
The launch was good though.
Yeah, launch is great. This perk is kind of beating the shit out of us.
Yeah.
Not gonna lie.
It's just brilliant.
Like, whew.
Did we go to the Madhouse next?
Yeah. Oh my god, that's gonna fuck with my brain and I'm gonna be dizzy.
Yeah.
This park, y'all. We're gonna go on what I think is the best ride of the day. A little bit of Vlot. Hopefully we're strong enough. Oh. Damn, what is this? 1833? We gotta do it ourselves? Oh, we're gonna have, our arms are gonna look nice after this. Wow, so peaceful. Wow. How do you feel?
Tired, exhausted, bloated, depressed.
And fucking D's. Look at those arms. Steel Vengeance who? All right, here we go. Merlin's graffitied castle. Ah, yeah, bruv. Dirty little rat. Wow. Wow. Oh.
Wow.
Those rides will never fail to amaze me, blow my mind, confuse me. They're just so cool. I don't even understand what the crazy man was saying, but it was really cool.
You fucking unhinged.
He really was. Loved him. Like I was saying just now as well, I don't understand why Disney doesn't have any of those. Those are the definition of Disney magic. All you have to do is throw that in the German pavilion in Epcot, in that massive building that they're not using, theme it to the evil witch. Wow. Oh, look at this guy. Let's get wet again. There was no alligators or crocodiles on this ride, but I kept seeing pictures of them, so appreciate it. Shoot them. Oh my god. Oh. Front row ho. Why is it zoomed in? Front row ho. Woo. Wow. Front row ho. Oh, beautiful. And like right now, you know, it's like getting to dusk. The smell of all the grass and the flowers and just summer. That was a great ride. Also, they aren't filling 2 of the cars and they slowed the chain lift down. And we asked one of the workers why, and he said it's because it goes too fast and it's too intense, and that it actually is just ripping the bearings apart on the ride. And I asked him, I said, have you guys been on it like full train while it's going that fast? And he's like, yeah, it's just painful. It's not even fun. I was like, oh, come on, let us go on. Let's see what this is like. But that's really funny. Well, I think we're gonna end the day on a few rides on Goliath, because if we ended it on that, we might come off with actual brain damage. We're ending the day front row ho Goliath, but I think we might be the only people on. This is gonna be lit. We ended our day with what, 4 rides in a row on Goliath?
Yeah.
We didn't end up getting the train by ourselves. They let everyone else stay on because it was just one train at the end of the night, but we got some little dough balls. We ordered 3, and then she's like, I'm just gonna put some extras in there. We're gonna throw them in anyways, so. Yeah, we had a great day. This is the least stressful day so far of our trip. Lots of good coasters here. We're gonna beat the shit out of you.
It's a proper endurance test.
Yeah. And like, it's not as well themed as some of the other European parks, but it's just a fucking good time.
Yeah.
This is a great park, and the food's decently priced. It all looked decent. These are good. However, the other ones will look like there's chocolate chips in them. They are raisins. But that's it for Walibi Holland. See y'all bitches at Toverland.